What's up guys, welcome to Apex, thanks for tuning in. After a long wait, finally we have received the security patch for June 2023 for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. There has been a lot of hype and controversies about this particular update in the last few days. It got delayed so much and finally by the end of June, we have received this particular update. Now you don't really have to be excited about this update because this is not going to bring too many changes. It's more about device behavior improvements and stability improvements. As you can see the changelog, it does not talk about any new features here. The size of the update is 2.2 GB and the version number ends with AWF3 and AWF1. Now this changelog may vary from country to country. Apparently globally Samsung has pushed the same changelog on all the Galaxy S23 series. However, as per Sam Mobile, in South Korea, the changelog is little different. There it talks about some improvements to the emergency SOS feature, 2x zoom for portrait mode, and it also mentions a function to batch delete movie clips for multiple motion photos. Now these points are not mentioned in our changelog, but what I could notice is we did get the 2x portrait mode on the camera application. Earlier we just had 1x and 3x portrait modes. We really had to adjust the distance for the 3x as well as for 2x by moving the phone back and forth, but now we have got this 2x portrait zoom option as well, which is fantastic. I was really hoping that the switching between the lenses would be much more seamless this time, but even after this update, when we switch to 3x or 10x lenses, the transition is still the same and it's still poor. Just for example, if you look at the camera app on the iPhone, when you switch between the lenses, the movement on the viewfinder is very smooth, and even on the videos it looks beautiful. But here on the Samsung Galaxy phones, this has always been an issue. Even during the videos when we switch the lenses, it looks pretty bad. That's something which Samsung should improve upon, probably in the next updates or maybe on the upcoming Galaxy phones. Now apart from this, the stability has of course improved. I can feel that difference when I use the phone. The animation used to be very snappy earlier, but now they have made it a little more smoother, which is good. But the changes are not that prominent in the animation department, but definitely we can see a slight improvement in the smoothness there. Now coming back to the camera department, apparently the night portrait mode or the night photos have also been improved. However, on my phone, I could not see much of a difference over there. Now these changes or improvements may vary from device to device. For the night mode improvements, I will probably have to thoroughly check it and I'll come back to you guys whether there is any improvement or not, so stay tuned. Apart from these, I don't see any other new features added in the system applications or any other areas on the phone. If you have noticed anything new or anything important, do share it in the comment section below. That will help the community, so do drop a comment, and while you do that, be sure you subscribe to the channel as well. Now if you haven't got the update yet, you need to patiently wait for it. A couple of days ago, Europe and US started getting these updates, and now I have received this update in India and many other regions will follow, so stay tuned. Keep checking the software update section. All you need to do is just go to the settings, tap on software update and tap on download and install. If it is available in your region, you will be able to get this update. If not, wait for it patiently. That's all I want to share with you guys. If I find anything new or anything important, I will definitely come back and post a video, so stay tuned and stay subscribed. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.